Sarah Haverstick, safety advocate for Evenflo. Congratulations on your new All4One or All4One DLX 4-in-1 car seat. You've made a savvy investment because the All4One is going to grow with your child for the next decade. I want to show you how to install your new seat in rear-facing harness mode with your vehicle seatbelt. This mode is for young children weighing 4 to 40 pounds, measuring 17 to 40 inches tall. Ready to install rear-facing? Let's get started. Before you begin, you'll need to review the instruction manual, which is tucked behind the harness system out of the box. After reviewing the instruction manual and all of the labels on the side of the car seat, you'll want to put the instruction manual in storage behind the headrest for future reference. To prepare the car seat for a seatbelt installation, we will need to move the lower anchors to the forward-facing belt path for storage. Detach each lower anchor connector from the side of the car seat. Unbuckle and loosen the harness. You will want to remove the soft goods so you have easier access to the belt path. Move the lower anchors from the rear-facing belt path to the forward-facing belt path. Attach each lower anchor connector to the storage location on the side of the car seat. Pull out the recline handle and tilt the car seat back to one of the 4 rear-facing positions. Place the All4One on your vehicle seat facing the rear of your car. Make sure the car seat bottom sits flat on the vehicle seat. Check the recline angle indicator. The notches should be positioned in the correct zone for your child's size. Route the vehicle seatbelt through the openings on the side of the car seat for the rear-facing belt path. And buckle the seatbelt. To tighten the seatbelt, place one hand in the center of the car seat and give firm pressure. With the other hand, pull the shoulder belt towards you to remove slack. While tightening the seatbelt, slide the shoulder belt into the blue lock-off on the opposite side of the car seat from the seatbelt buckle. Check your vehicle owner's manual to determine how to lock your seatbelt for car seat installation. In many cases, you will pull out all of the shoulder belt webbing to switch to a locked mode. To check for tightness, grab the car seat at the belt path, which is where you have it installed. It should not move more than 1 inch from side to side or front to back. It is important to check for movement right where the car seat is installed. For rear facing, that means checking near your child's feet, not at their head. Double check the recline indicator to make sure you are in the correct zone for use. I've covered the essentials, but if you still have questions, I encourage you to reach out to Evenflo's Parentlink customer service. As an Evenflo car seat owner, real-time chat support and free live video installation guidance are yours for the asking. Look for Parentlink at evenflo.com.